To run a Spring Boot application in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Install prerequisites. Install Java Development Kit. Ensure JDK 8 or later is installed and the Java home environment variable is set. Install Visual Studio Code from here. Install the Java extension pack in VS Code. This includes extensions like language support for Java and debugger for Java. Optionally, install Spring Boot tools for enhanced Spring Boot support. Create or import a Spring Boot project. If you don't have a Spring Boot project, create one using Spring Initializer or import an existing project. If importing, open the project in VS Code using File, Open Folder. Configure VS Code for Spring Boot. Open the terminal in VS Code. If your project uses Maven, execute npm clean install to install dependencies. For Gradle, use the following. Run the application. In the terminal, navigate to the project directory. To run the Spring Boot app, execute the following. Alternatively, you can open the main class annotated with Spring Boot application and click the Run button in VS Code to start the application. Verify. Check the terminal for the log output. The application should be running at the following.